So I went over here and I chose fa because my root word begins with fa, so Fatiha, and I said go. So it lists down all the places in the Quran where this word appears and in its various forms. So many times in this form, so many times in this form. Then below it also lists down by each form, that form 1 it appears in this way, in which ayat with the word in red, the meaning here, the reference. Then as form 2, as form 10, if it appears as a noun, as a participle. So this is also a very good site which we will be referring to inshallah for learning. In between, yes, we will do this. And before we close, let us look at the meaning again. Fataha means to open. It also means victory. It means judgment. And mafatih, miftah means keys. So the word that we saw today was fataha. Fataha, which meaning open, victory, okay, then judgment, okay, miftah, key, keys, mafatih. And if I want to make a doer of an action, what I generally do, I'm sorry, not what I do, what Arabs do is they add an alif after the first root and they say fatih. So any action, you take the root, same haraka, and adding an alif at after the first root. All the other haraka should be the same. Fatih, the pattern is fa'il. It means somebody who is doing that action. Okay. So if I take fataha meaning as open, fatih means the one who opens, the opener. There is no such thing as opener in English, but technically it would be that, or literally it would be that, the opener. And the first surah, which is this one, this is the first surah of the Quran. If you see, when you open the Mus'haf, you see this surah. So this is the surah that is opening the Quran. Okay, so this is the opener of the Quran. Now the name is given with that. This is surah, which one? The opener, Suratul Fatih. Now if you see the spelling after Fatih, another close ta is added. Why? Because this word is this word is mentioning surah. Surah is feminine. So when you say the opener, this surah is the opener. Again, you have to use a feminine word. So you have to add a close ta to make it feminine. So Suratul Fatiha. Okay, it is not Fatih, Suratul Fatiha. So today, Alhamdulillah, we completed the meaning of Fataha, and inshallah, we will next class start with Suratul Fatiha, and later on, sometime down the road, what we will do is we will come to this, which is the various ayat that we did, but we will go through some of the ayat and the meanings. For now, this much is enough. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.